Next, you've also got trending products. I'm going to skip on ad spy, I'll get to it, but I want to show you trending products because it's kind of similar to handpicked products. Only here, the filter system is a little bit different. I don't know if you noticed what you had here, but in handpicked products, you can choose things like where it ships to, if it has any ads on Facebook or TikToks, how many orders a product has, the profit range, and so forth. And under trending products, you can filter things like how many likes a product has, impressions, interaction rates for the product videos that have been uploaded to them, of course. So you have different filters, but that's not all. Another difference between trending products and handpicked products is that trending products shows you products that are being found by our professional AI tools. So here it's not a team that's sitting day and night, it's an actual AI that's finding all these products and putting all the information together. So that is the main difference. For you, it's pretty much the same. You're going to get much more trending product ideas that you can drop ship. Like, I haven't seen this product before. Let's see what it is real quick. Pedal resistant band. That is pretty cool. That's the first time I've seen it. And so you're going to get a lot. Okay, I see exactly what it does now. So here's another product that I would now consider searching on Amazon to see if I can list it. But let's just keep going over the rest of the methods. I just want you to see how easy it is to get product ideas. And then what you're going to do after you have a list of products that you found that you now want to check if you can sell them on Amazon. But right now, let's keep getting more product ideas before we decide if and what we should do with them. Okay, so get more trending ideas from the Trending Products Hub.